Menzies and welcome back to my channel. We are here at the one and the only Cadwell Park. We're here for an MSV track day, which means that we're going to have 7 sessions that we're going to be out on 20 minutes a session. I'm going to be basically going out on Bruce, which is my Kawasaki ZX636 from 2019, and we're looking to get some magic going. I'm hoping for this particular day that I'm actually going to break my personal best lap time, so hoping that I can get down to a 1:45.5 or below. If I do, you're going to hear some very loud cheering. So I'm going to guide you through each one of these sessions. I'll give you a little intro to each of the ones and then bring you along. We'll bring you all of the graphics, all of the analytics, and tell you what it's all about. So stay with me and enjoy the ride. Okay, so we're here at Cadwell Park and we're just about to go out onto the 7th session. This one's quite a mellow little session, but it's quite good. We actually go out at the beginning of like the second group that goes out when we're released, and as we head out we basically start doing some catching up of some other bikes and do some overtakes, which is really cool. And then unfortunately there's a red flag, so it's a reasonably short session but quite a good one. So do enjoy, come along for the ride, because this one's a great bit of fun. hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.